welcome back to my channel, and yeah, welcome to the floor of my room. So this is gonna be a short video. And if you're not subscribed, please do so down below and hit that red button. But yeah, I just want to talk about what I got today, and I'm being completely and totally honest. This is my first ever MacBook that I've ever owned, ever in my entire life, and I owe it thanks to Bryson, my fiance, for getting me this surprise gift, because he knows that like I've been wanting one for so long and I just couldn't afford it. And growing up, I never really owned Apple products. I think the only time I ever did, my parents bought the iPod, I think the first generation, and then after that they were just too expensive, and you know, we just went with the more affordable option. But anyways, I wanted to unbox this thing, and of course everyone has seen it already. This is not something that's completely new. It came out last year, but it's new to me, and I am utterly grateful for this. So Bryson took off the plastic saran wrapping, and he was showing his mom, so I haven't opened it myself. And yeah, this is my very own. So I got the MacBook Air and the rose gold color, and oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the box. Oh my goodness, look at that. So yeah, and like I was saying, I've never really owned Apple products just because I couldn't afford it and my family couldn't afford it, and that's okay, you know. And I just got the iPhone 8 Plus last year. Is it last year? Yeah, last year. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna flip it over. Okay, everybody knows what this is, the charging. I've never held my own before. It's so cool. Okay. Oh man, okay, I have to set it up now. So as you can tell, I'm very giddy. I have to set it up. Obviously you guys know, like, who have owned MacBooks before. I've never owned one, so I'm gonna have to do that right now. This isn't gonna be a whole like tech review or anything, because everybody knows everything about MacBooks, I feel like. So this is just me showing you this awesome gift and my little guest that keeps popping in and out. Okay, no, you don't press anything. No. No!
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake.
Okay, so I finished setting up my MacBook. I'm so excited. I'm such a dork. I just spent like the last minute texting Bryson with the computer, because he actually didn't know that you could do that as iMessage. But I forgot what I was gonna say. But yeah, I just finished setting it up, and then yeah, and then we bought two other things. We got an external hard drive with 4 GB of memory, and then a USB to Lightning, so that way I can plug in my phone if I needed to. But yeah, I'm so excited. I know this video was probably all over the place and it was super short, but yeah, this is my first MacBook ever. I'm gonna treasure it and cherish it forever and ever. And yeah, I'm just so excited to have one of these. I feel like a cool kid now. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. No, don't touch it. Can you stop? Okay, hold on.